Learn Gujarati food phrases in English.
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું.
2.
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
Welcome to the hungriest lesson. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati the delicious way. Today you will sound polite, practical, and only slightly dramatic about food and drinks. Picture this. You walk into a cafe, your stomach sings opera, your throat feels like a desert, and your brain remembers exactly 3 useful thoughts. First,
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું.
that means, I would like to eat something. Second,
મારે કંઈક પીવું છે.
I would like something to drink. Third, because your inner hero believes in hydration.
મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
I would like a water. And if the server approaches your tea with a sugar spoon like a villain in slow motion, you calmly say,
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
without sugar, please. To begin your order politely, use,
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
for me please. Congratulations, you now sound much more prepared than a tourist pointing randomly at a teapot. Your survival menu. Let's make these phrases feel easy in your mouth and useful in real life. Say them like you actually want the snack to arrive. If you are hungry, say,
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું.
I would like to eat something. If you are thirsty, say,
મારે કંઈક પીવું છે.
I would like something to drink. If water is your choice, say,
મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
I would like a water. If you want no sugar, say,
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
without sugar, please. If you want to begin politely, say,
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
for me please. Tiny cafe drama. Now you will hear the words inside a short scene. Imagine a busy cafe, a cheerful waiter, and you trying to stay cool while being extremely hungry. Waiter, welcome. What would you like? You.
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
For me please. Your stomach interrupts like an overpaid actor.
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું.
I would like to eat something. Then your throat clears dramatically.
મારે કંઈક પીવું છે.
I would like something to drink. You decide to be sensible for one shining moment in life.
મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
I would like a water. The waiter reaches for sugar for your tea. You respond with the grace of a language learning champion.
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
Without sugar, please. The waiter nods. The universe approves. Your snack arrives. Build your own order. You do not need a giant vocabulary to sound good. You just need a few strong phrases and a confident voice. Start with,
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
for me please. Then add your need.
મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
I would like a water. Or go broader.
મારે કંઈક પીવું છે.
I would like something to drink. If hunger wins, use,
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું.
I would like to eat something. Need a healthy detail? Add,
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
without sugar, please. Example full order.
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને. મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
For me please. I would like a water. Another one.
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને. ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
For me please. Without sugar, please. Repeat after me, brave snack hero. Time for a simple speaking drill. Repeat after each pause like you are ordering with confidence, not apologizing to a biscuit. I would like to eat something.
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું.
I would like something to drink.
મારે કંઈક પીવું છે.
I would like a water.
મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
Without sugar, please.
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
For me please.
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
Mini quiz at the table. Let's see what sticks. No pressure. Even if you miss one, the imaginary waiter is still imaginary. How do you say, I would like to eat something?
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું.
How do you say, I would like something to drink?
મારે કંઈક પીવું છે.
How do you ask for water?
મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
How do you say, without sugar, please?
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
How do you start with, for me please?
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
A quick culture tip. Here is a useful idea for real conversations. Politeness goes a long way, especially when food is involved. In Gujarati, polite ordering sounds warm and natural when you use request phrases gently and clearly. A phrase like,
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
helps you begin smoothly, while
ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
helps you customize your drink. If you forget everything else, remembering
મને એક પાણી જોઈએ.
is never a bad idea. Water first, grammar glory later. Friendly conclusion. You did great today. You now have 5 genuinely useful Gujarati phrases you can actually use. You practiced.
હું કંઈક ખાવા માંગુ છું. મારે કંઈક પીવું છે. મને એક પાણી જોઈએ. ખાંડ વગર, કૃપા કરીને.
And
મારા માટે કૃપા કરીને.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use these phrases in real situations, and come back soon for more Gujarati. May your pronunciation be clear, your tea be exactly right, and your water arrive before your dramatic thirst speech begins.